In this video, I will show you 10 simple ways to earn money by watching videos online. Some of these apps and websites pay cash. Others give you gift cards or points that you can redeem. Number one is Swagbucks. Swagbucks lets you earn points called SP for watching short videos. These can be movie clips, news, or even ads. You can trade in those points for PayPal cash or gift cards from stores like Amazon and Walmart. Number two is InboxDollars. This website pays real money when you watch video playlists. You can also earn by taking surveys, but watching videos is one of the easiest ways to make money on there. Number three is MyPoints. MyPoints is very similar to Swagbucks. You can watch videos, earn points, and turn those points into gift cards. It is free to use and works on both phones and computers. Number four is PrizeRebel. This site gives you points for watching videos and doing simple tasks. It has been around for years and people use it to earn extra cash from home. Number five is Cashkick. On Cashkick, you can earn real money by watching sponsored videos and completing simple tasks. It pays through PayPal once you reach the minimum payout. Number six is Quick Rewards. This is another site where you can earn rewards for watching videos and click through ads. It is not flashy, but it does the job and pays in real money or gift cards. Number seven is Fusion Cash. This one has been around for a long time. You can watch short videos and get paid cash. There's also a bonus for signing up and watching your first set of videos. Number eight is App Nano. This one is a mobile app that gives you points for downloading and using other apps, but you also get rewards for watching video ads inside the app. You can exchange your points for gift cards. Number nine is Earnably. Earnably gives you points when you watch videos through their video partners. You can redeem those points for instant PayPal cash or gift cards to your favorite stores. And finally, number 10 is Netflix Tagger. This one is a bit harder to get into, but it's a real job. Netflix hires people to watch shows and tag them with keywords. If you can get hired, it pays well and you are literally getting paid to watch Netflix. That's it for today's list. These are 10 ways you can make extra money from your phone just by watching videos. Most of these options are beginner friendly and do not cost anything to start. Let us know in the comments which one you want to try first. Like and subscribe for more videos that help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.